So let's turn this off for now. And what we can do is that I've prepared some shader to this. It's gonna called lace thin, and then also lace thick, right? So the lace thin is basically for the bottom, for the skirt, and also for the arm, and we're gonna use the lace thick for the bodies, right? And if you do that and then go assign, out of the box, it will not. Let's check it out. Out of the box, that's how it looks, right? Because we haven't done any UV yet. So as you can see that now it is kind of stretch because we stretched it earlier, right? So actually it's pretty cool actually, isn't it? But like they add a bit of a weirdness to this, and wow, that's kind of cool actually. So there you go. So you got that thing and stretch out, and wow, it's actually pretty good actually. But now, but yeah, we're not gonna use this. We're gonna do the UV for now, right? So let's do select all, right, and then UV wrap. Let's Blender do its thing, and there you go. You've got it, right? So yeah, now we're just gonna have to deal with it, right? So it's left, left, left. Okay, so that's kind of flipped the other way around, right? So this one, it should be that, right? Same thing with this. So let's do individual origins so we can rotate it. Oh, this one is actually already correct. The bottom part is the wrong one because it is to the left. Let's rotate it. And yeah, now let's do this the left, and then the left. Let's rotate it 180 degree, right? Now we just have to kind of connect the dots, basically, right? So this is the left, this is the right, and this is the left. And let's just snap it. Let's use our snapping tools, right? So we can snap it right there. Let me see if I can do this. The bunny box. Let's do that. Right. Let's do that and make sure that it snaps to that. Right. So there you go. It is snapped to the middle, and let's do the second layer. Oh, this one goes here. Okay. Now let's deal with the third. Okay, now that's the third, and let's bring this to 0.25. This one as well. 0.25. Maybe this one goes to 0.75, right? So there you go. Now we just have to deal with the bodies, right? So that is the front. It's, well, let's rotate it. And let's bring it to 0.75. 0.25. Okay. And this is the back, right? This is the back, and yeah, it looks all right. And now let's bring the other one. Okay, so where were we? So yeah, yeah, we're just gonna have to snap it there. So the thing is, you can rotate this probably, but I kind of like it if you snap it here. it creates this straight line and that. So we're gonna keep it that way. And yeah, let's put it to 75. And let's make it 4. This, so this is the right. It should be that way, right? And where's the other one? Okay, so there you go. The other one. Let's rotate it 180 degrees. And let's snap it there. Okay, that looks pretty good. And let's bring it to 75.1, right? So yeah, I guess it's all right. And let's see what we've got in viewport. Okay, so there we go. So that's how it looks like in the viewport right now with the UVs done. And yeah, that's how you do it, right? And however, so as you notice that the skirt has this line in the middle, right? And most skirts don't have that. So however, if you are already done with UV and everything, with animation, posing, and everything, what you can do is that you can go back to edit mode, right? You can select the outer edge. So let's see that you can select this, for example. Let's select that, and we can go back to our cloth tree and look at merge by distance. So sorry, merge at center. Hey, sorry, what is it? Merge, I think it's distance, right? So here, merge at, so it has a 400 edges, so it should be a half, so it's going to be a 202. So there's still a bit of things that is not connected. So I'm just going to put this to 0 to this. So now it's 202, right? So yeah, so now if you take a look at our, go to Alt tab and you see it, that line is practically gone. So let's add our solidify and then subdivision. So now you can see that the middle part is gone and it's perfect and swell. And you can do that with the, the same for the waist as well, and then for the second layer and the third layer of the skirt. Yeah, with that exactly the same technique. And yeah, I guess that's it for now. So there we have it. Yeah, I guess that's very good. It has very nice clean edges. I mean, like I could do that. I could do that. The merging thing later once I'm happy with the posing and the animation and all that. But for now, I'm gonna keep it loose. I'm not gonna merge the sewing edges now. I'm gonna do it later. Yeah. But for you will see that the underwear is gonna poke it out. However, I'm not gonna render the underwear. So because that's how it's gonna look like in the render. And yeah, there we have it. We've got a nice, beautiful dresses, right? A nice, beautiful dress with a circle skirt at the bottom. And yeah, we're gonna talk about making the dress, the top part of the dress, later, right? However, for this one, that's it. So yeah, that's it for now. I'm gonna see you later.